Hi, welcome to lesson number 8. Today I am going to show you how we teach multiplication using an abacus. We will begin with a one digit multiplier. We teach multiplication only after students are comfortable doing addition using complementary numbers. They also need to be able to efficiently recall the multiplication facts. Before we start, here is a quick fact. While multiplying two numbers, we can predetermine the maximum number of digits the solution will have. It is the sum of the digits in the multiplicand and the number of digits in the multiplier. For example, in case it is a 1 by 1 multiplication, the product will have maximum 2 digits. In case it is a 2 by 1 multiplication, the product will have maximum 3 digits. Let's try to multiply 7 by 19. First, we place the numbers on the abacus. While we are doing this, we need to see that the unit digits of these numbers fall on the unit rods. We need 3 rods for the solution because the product will have 3 digits maximum. So counting from the unit rod here, the third rod towards the left will be the starting rod. We are using our finger as a pointer. Now, 7 times 1 is 7. We write it as 0, 7. Our finger is on the tens rod. Now, 9 times 7 is 63. We write 63 starting from the tens rod. On the tens rod to add 6, we need to use the mixed complement. So we add 100, add 10 and subtract 50. Next, we move to the unit rod and add 3. The product is 133. Here, I want you to understand why we took 7 as 07. You see, as we discussed earlier in the video, the product of two one-digit number can have maximum 2 digits. Considering that, we always write these over two rods. So, when we got 7, we placed it as 07. Now let's look at another example. Let's try multiplying 6 by 83. We place the multiplier and the multiplicand. Now, 6 times 8 is 48. We write 48. Next, 6 times 3 is 18. We write 18 starting from the tens rod. So now we have the product that is 498. If you remember, in the last example, we had to use the complements on the tens rod. Here it got easier because we didn't have to use any complements to do the addition. So using an abacus, multiplication skill is an extension of the arithmetic skills. While practicing these lessons, it really adds value when students evolve to visualize the whole process in their head. Learning abacus is useful only when the students practice the lessons consistently until it becomes their second nature. The process upskills the brain to do mental arithmetic. People sometimes compare abacus and Vedic mathematics in the context of their utility. In the next lesson, we are going to discuss that part. We will see how we multiply two two-digit numbers using both the methods. Possibly that could give a better insight.